Okay, let's talk retinol. Apart from the hype on social media, what do we actually know about it? Do you realize that there is a lot of things it can't be mixed with because it will make your skin worse? Let's dive in. First of all, yes, retinol is actually amazing for almost any skin type, depending on the percentage that you use it with. It smooths out the skin. It's rid of acne scars. It has anti-aging properties. Generally, good shit. First of all, just like with acids, you need to build tolerance for retinol. Start with 0.5%. Retinol should be used mostly in the evenings because it doesn't like the sun. And retinol hates AHA and BHA. Retinol doesn't like acids. What retinol does like is niacinamide. Thank me later. Or thank me now and follow.